Cuba, 1955, two people, Othniel and Noeda, fell in love, and a ring was given. A wedding occurred, and a family started. Then the revolution occurred. Castro's government took their home and all their possessions. When the government came for the children, they decided to leave. The ring could not go with them. It belonged to the government. The family thrived in the United States. He worked for the airlines. She worked in computers. The children became a neurologist, a dentist, and an engineer. The ring eventually came back to them in a diplomatic pouch. After 68 years, the ring that saw so much love was in need of repair. Their daughter brought it to Mills Jewelers for restoration. Now this ring is on her hand as a silent reminder of all the sacrifice, struggle, and ultimately the power of love. We helped to honor all that it came to symbolize.